Hey everybody, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael and today I'm going to explain how to make an WhatsApp backup on our Android phone. I want to say that when we erase WhatsApp or we buy a new phone, we lost the information that we have in WhatsApp. So if we backup WhatsApp with the same account, we won't lose the information like images, messages and videos. So in the next video I will explain it. So which is of all we have to unlock our Android phone and then we have to go to the home screen. When we are in the home screen we will open WhatsApp. In WhatsApp we will tap on more options and then we are going to settings. In settings we have to tap on chat and then we are going to chat backup. In this section we have information about last backup realized and 4 options. The first one is backup to Google Drive. This option allows us to select how often we want to backup. We can select never, only when I tap backup, daily, weekly or monthly. I have selected daily. The second one allows us to select in which account we want to backup WhatsApp. I have selected this one. The third option allows us to select if we want to backup on Wi-Fi or in Wi-Fi or cellular. I recommend the first one because if we select the second one, the cost of the carrier may increase. And the last option allows us to include videos in the backup. I don't recommend it because the size may be longer, but don't worry because when we tap on backup, WhatsApp will backup media, so these are photos and messages. As you saw, those tips are not too difficult. Now, if you don't want to lose the information that you have in WhatsApp, you can backup. That's all for today, and give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to activate the bell. So, goodbye!